Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. Let's see where can we trade on GBP USD today. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. Today I will not be doing any detailed analysis. I'll just try to keep the video short. Okay, so right now market is trading at 1.3795. The only good news that we have is the market is still trading above the weekly support level, and the bad news is that though market is standing just above the support, market does not have the strength to go up. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then I clearly mentioned that at this particular level we have a double support. First support in the form of the weekly level, and the second support was from the trend line. And as per our expectation and calculation, market took support, but there was not much movement on the market right now. So my dear friends, if you have already taken a buy position, if you are in a long position on GBP USD, continue with the trade with your stop loss below this level. On the other hand, if you're looking for a fresh entry on GBP USD, then my dear friends, I do not have any position for you today, because see, you can clearly see that GBP USD does not have the strength right now. So until and unless you see a good green candle, yes, listen to me carefully, until and unless you see a good big fat green candle above this level, do not go for buy, because till now, yes, market is respecting the level, but market does not have the strength. And if market does not have the volatility required movement, how can you make money? It is not possible. So wait for the market to give you some movement, and that's it. And on the other hand, if market breaks the level and starts going down, then do not short the market immediately, because my dear friend, this is a level from the weekly chart, and weekly levels are not very they are quite strong. That's it. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow again with the analysis, detailed analysis for the next week. Bye bye.